And lo and behold, we got ourselves a t-shirt. And there you have it, guys. There you have it. All right. Bam! A t-shirt for that ass. What's up, guys? I'm going to show you how you can print t-shirts like this at home for dirt cheap. Stay tuned. This video is sponsored by Placeit.net. Smart templates make easy design. Create mock-ups, logos, videos, and designs in seconds. What's up, guys? Gary Edgenay, T-Shirt Help Desk. And of course, as I just showed you, we're going to print some t-shirts like this at home, okay? And this is probably the cheapest way to print color t-shirts at home, okay? It's literally like less than 20 bucks for an entire home printing system. So without any further ado, let's get into what you're gonna need. You're gonna need an iron, your artwork, fabric spray paint by a company called Tulip. This is the bunch of minis, or you can get the individual cans, some tape, a mask. You know that spray paint has fumes, man. It's optional. An X-Acto knife or a box cutter, a pencil, gloves, also optional. You don't want to get the spray paint on your hands. Some freezer paper, not parchment paper, freezer paper, cardboard, and of course, a blank tee. And you know we rock with Bella Canvas, the best blanks in the universe. Let's get it. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to lay our artwork down on top of the cardboard, and we're going to tape it down. The cardboard is because when we cut, we don't want to cut into our nice wood table right here. So tape that down, and now we're going to put our freezer paper on top, making sure that the shiny part is down, all right, and the matte part is up, because we're going to trace over that. Okay, now once we have that down, we're going to tape our freezer paper down, because we don't want it to wiggle around and move when we start doing our tracing. Okay, so tape that down. Okay, this is just preschool stuff. Okay, you can see the actual art through the freezer paper, so you just take that pencil and trace around, just trace around, and that's it for this part. We're now using that X-Acto blade to cut around, and then we're gonna take that out. This is how we make our stencil, guys. So you cut all of these out, and you add any little extra pieces, because we're making a stencil right here. Add any little extra pieces, get everything right, and we're gonna make this stencil. That's what you gotta do. We take that same bit of cardboard that we did all the cutting on, and we put it inside the t-shirt, and we fold it around. And now we take our stencil that we just made with the freezer paper, and we lay that down. And then, just like everything else, we tape it down just like it was before. Then you take a little bit of the tape and add in any little circles and stuff. All right, so to make the stencil just right and match the artwork. Then you iron everything down. This is why you use the freezer paper. That shiny back creates a barrier, and that's how you get a really good stencil, and that's how you can use your spray paint. Okay? It's really, really awesome. It's like the dollar store way of making a screen print. We take some extra and cover up everything, and then we take another piece and we cover up the bottom so that we don't get any splash off. Okay? Tape that bad boy down, all right? And we're gonna spray, but this is the deal, guys. I sprayed, and I sprayed too much, and then I was trying to like dry it with a heat gun, and then I did the red, and don't do it like how I did it, okay? But I put way too much spray paint. I used way too much. I was trying to get it to be this bright red color like screen printing. Don't do that, because if you do, it's gonna come out like this. Now this looks like a horse's patootie, okay? The colors are brighter, but it just bled too much, and it just was not the business. I mean, I was not feeling this. I was very disappointed. But let me show you how you can do it and make it look good. People, if you are looking to take your t-shirt line, your social media, your website to another level, you gotta go to Placeit.net. If you have artwork, all right, like this, like what I had, you can make things like this. Check out these awesome templates, okay? No need for a photographer. Everything is done for you. And they also have videos. Look what you can do with your artwork, man. Imagine your social media and everything. So go to the link in the description box, placeit.net, get you some bomb templates, get you some great artwork, get everything done, get videos. Now let's get back into this video, shall we? Okay, so it's just like before. You iron everything down, cover up the dope part. You shake it up real good, and then you spray lightly. Splash, splash, splash. You don't go crazy. Just splash it on. Just splash it on there. Even, nice and even, man. Nice and even. Don't go crazy with this spray paint. You let that dry for about maybe 15, 20 minutes to an hour, and then you peel the other part up. Okay, because we're about to hit it with that red. Okay, so you take, I'm going to cover that up because we don't want any splash, right? And I iron it, and just for safe measure, I'm going to add a little tape. So we get that tape popping, we go right across that edge right there. We just don't want it to bleed or anything. We want to keep it nice and neat. Get that tape. We already ironed it down, but this is just a little extra, you know, can never be too safe. All right, all right, I even ironed that down. And after that's done, we're going to get that red spray paint. And once again, you're going to shake it up. And then we're just going to splash it as even as we can, not too heavy. We let that thing go. You know, we put a generous amount, but we don't go crazy. You're not going to get it to be that bright red like it's on the white. All right, because you don't have a flash. You don't have a white underbase or anything. So just splash it, get it in there, because it's going to look nice, all right? You do it like that. We let that thing dry, and you're going to see it looks like there's like nothing there. But let's peel. Let's do the big reveal, all right? Let's go. And peel it up. Being careful, okay? Being careful. We peel it up from different sides. First, I pull up that. Get all that good stuff. We're going to pull up some white, okay? And now let's just go for it. Let's just pull this whole damn thing up, man. And voila. All right, bam, a t-shirt for that ass. You understand what I'm saying? A t-shirt for that ass for a little of nothing. So let me put it on. Let me rock it, okay? And let me do that crazy silly dance that the kids do, all right? Let me do that crazy little silly dance. Then I'm going to start milling on y'all, boy. I'm going to start milling on y'all, baby. Ow. Anyway, that's it. I'm out of here. Guys, as you can see, you can print a t-shirt like this at home. A home printing system for less than 20 bucks. Can't beat that with a stickball bat. So, if you do something like this, make sure that you tag me because I am on Instagram, okay? And as always, cheers to your t-shirts. Finna put some butter on these shoes and slide on out the dough. Peace.